you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute since I have done a makeup tutorial, and today finally I have one. I know that Eid is coming and I believe that this is going to be a very nice look for Eid. So if you like what you see right now, then just stay tuned and we'll start off.
My face primer today is the Nivea Men Sensitive Aftershave Balm, and I'm applying this just with my hands all over my face and down my neck. To prime my eyes, I'm using MAC's Paint Pot in Painterly, and again I'm just applying it with my fingers from my lash line all the way up to my brow bone. My crease shade today is the Bahama Mama Bronzer, and it's by The Balm, and I'm using an e.l.f. blending brush to apply it on my crease. All over my lid, I'm applying the Infallible eyeshadow in Amber Rose by L'Oreal, and again I'm just using my fingers to do this because this applies best with your fingers, I feel. I'm using this shade from my Savannah Colors palette in the shade 03, in the variant 03, and I'm just using a crease brush, a fluffy brush, any fluffy brush will do, and applying this to the outer V of my eye. As you can see, I am taking it a little bit into the crease and I am bringing it down to the center of the lash line, but as you can see, it's making a nice sharp wing. You want to take your time with the blending because this is the kind of eyeshadow that you want to build up to the correct color intensity. After you're done with that, I would suggest you clean up the edges of your eyeshadow like I'm doing over here and move on to the face. My foundation today is the Revlon Color Stay Foundation in the shade Fresh Beige. I use the variant for normal to dry skin because I like a little bit of dewiness on my face, and I'm just using my Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge to apply this all over my face. I did apply 2 layers, and as you can see, I took a long time to blend it, and I would suggest you do the same. My concealer is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Light. I am applying this under my eyes in an inverted triangle, and as you can see, it's a very elongated triangle all the way up to my temples, then down the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, and on my cupid's bow. I'm blending it out with the pointy end of the same makeup blending sponge. You want to take your time with this as well because a well blended face looks flawless. Next up, I'm cream contouring with the Kryolan Ultra Foundation in the shade 6650. Unfortunately, my camera stopped working and I didn't notice, so I couldn't record me contouring my cheeks, but here I am contouring my jawline. As you can see, I'm using a flat foundation brush from Real Techniques and just blending it away using the same makeup sponge by Real Techniques again. I did the same thing on my cheeks. However, if you want me to do a dedicated review, not a review, I'm so sorry, a dedicated tutorial on how I like to cream contour, then leave it in the comments below. As you can see, now I am contouring my nose in the same fashion and blending the harsh lines away. It's time to bake now, and in order to bake my under eyes, I'm using the Lakme Rose powder in the shade Soft Beige. It's a pinky tone powder, so it does a little bit of color correction and it does brighten the under eye area very well. I'm applying this in a thick layer with my sponge wherever I applied my concealer. My bronzer today is again the Bahama Mama bronzer, and I'm using this wherever I had cream contoured just to set that area properly. Going into my ambient lighting powder by Hourglass in the shade Dim Light, I'm using this to kind of dust away my bake on both my under eyes, and then with the same Real Techniques large powder brush, I am lightly dusting it all over my face to kind of give it a luminous finished touch. My blush today is the Makeup Revolution Vivid Blush Lacquer. I will have all these products mentioned in the description box, and I'm using an e.l.f. small stipple brush to apply it, and then the same sponge to blend it out. I moved back into the eyes after this, and as you can see now, I am creating a winged eyeliner. The gel liner that I'm using is the L'Oreal, I keep forgetting the name, lacquer liner, Infallible lacquer liner. I do like this very much, but it is almost exactly the same as the Maybelline one, and that is cheaper, so I would suggest you go for that one. when you're doing this. It's an amazing eyeliner. It lasts all day long. And if you want to see a more in-depth video on how I like to create my wings, then I will link that in the description box. I've already done that video. I'm tight lining today with the Colossal Super Black Kajal by Maybelline. And then for my lower waterline, I'm using the Wet n Wild Color Icon Kohl Kajal in the shade Nude. My mascara today is the NARS Audacious Mascara. This is the sample size that I got a while ago, but this is the first time that I'm using it. I was looking for something a lot more volumizing, and unfortunately this is a nice and separating mascara, and you really can keep building it up and it's not going to clump even if you wanted to. Unfortunately for me today, I really did want it to clump and give me a little bit of volume, but it never ended up doing that, so I spent a lot of time just trying to build it. And you guys can tell that this is a supremely fast forwarded video, and even then I didn't get a very false lash kind of appearance. I moved on to the brows and I just brushed them through with an old mascara wand, and taking my Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Opal, it's a highlighter, I applied this to my brow bone to highlight and give a nice lift to my brows. My eyebrow pencil is from Maybelline and it's called Fashion Brow in the shade Brown. It is dual ended and I'm using the powder end just to roughly fill in my brows. My brows are in really bad shape, so there was nothing that I could have done to make them better other than just fill them up. I went back into the same highlighter and again with just my finger I applied it to the inner corner of my eye. Then using this fan brush from Forever 21, I did highlight my cheekbones a little bit more, and also with a dash of this I did apply it to my nose and all that. My lipstick today is the Streetwear Colorish lipstick in the shade Puzzle Me Pink that you guys already know I love. And with that I'm done.
So you guys, this was the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this. I have not had this much fun filming in a really long time, so I hope that you guys could tell that I was having a lot of fun. And yeah, so with that I think I finish today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this. If you have any kind of video requests for me, then please just leave them in the comments section below and I will be very happy to work on those for you. And other than that, please check out my previous videos, and like, I'm sure you'll find something that over there that you like. If you haven't joined the family, just subscribe, join the family. You're very welcome. I have all of my social media listed in the description box, which includes my Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. I'm most active on my Instagram and my Twitter. So just go ahead and follow me there. If you guys want to have a one-on-one discussion, if you guys want to be, pen pals, then don't forget to send me an email. I have my email linked in the description box. So yeah, that's about it for today. I hope you're having a great day and I will see you in my next one. Bye.